kids are going to be using power tools, mowing the grass, and helping out with yard work. Let's go! There's always lots of work to do around here. That's why we all need to help each other. Rohan loves helping Daddy on the mower. Look at all those grass clippings. We're driving forward and we're reversing. I'm starting to get the hang of this.
Yeah!
Now we need to mow around the playground. It's a tight squeeze. Around the slide. And through the swings. Around the tree we go. Now we can do the edges. We get as close as we can with the mower, and then we get the whippersnipper out.
All right.
This is hard work. Okay, that's done. Now let's tidy up a bit with the blower. Can you see any grass clippings? Okay, Salia, let's go water the veggies. Where's the tomatoes? See? Look, there's the tomatoes. Oh, this one's starting to turn red.
Mama.
That one's starting to turn red. There's spring onion and spinach. Don't forget the lemon tree.
Mama. Mama.
Are you ready?
Mama.
Mandarins. They're not quite ripe. Mandarin. They'll be ready in a few weeks. And we're also waiting on these bananas to ripen. We better go check on the chickens. Hello, chickens. Have they got fresh water and lots of food? Gentle. Okay, that's better. Watch out for these jumping ants. They're very aggressive. One ant can bite you a few times and it can cause localized swelling. These termites are causing a lot of damage. Can you see them? They're eating the timber on our chook pen. Okay, we got some work to do. 80. That one looks better. Have another go. Nice work. Time to use the drill. Good job. No more termites. Oh, that looks much better. See this? Broken. And what's happening, Rohan? The mice are getting in through here and the snakes. So we're going to fix it, okay? Let's get rid of the old mesh and put in some new mesh. All done.
Chicken just done. Quack, quack, quack.
Didn't
This is not a duck. It's a chicken.
it? Don't forget to subscribe, kids, because soon we'll be hatching baby chicks.
Thanks for watching the Rohan channel. More videos.